What's a HomeStyle renovation mortgage? It allows you to have one loan that includes the purchase or refinance of your home, as well as the money for remodeling or repairs. It's a conventional mortgage with a renovation feature. Eligible properties include 1 unit primary residence, 1 unit second or vacation home, 1 unit investment property, and condos. Ineligible properties: 2 to 4 family investment properties, commercial properties, properties listed on a historical register, co-ops, non-warrantable condos. These are condos that are not approved for traditional mortgage programs. What's the minimum down payment? Owner-occupied property requires 10% down for a single-family property, condo, vacation, or second home. A single-family investment property requires 15% down and could be a great option for new investors. Here's what you can include in the HomeStyle renovation mortgage. Renovation costs can be up to 75% of the as-completed value, which includes labor and material, soft costs, which are fees, permits, license. 10 to 15% contingency reserve is required. It can include up to 6 months of mortgage payments if you are not able to live in the property during the renovation period. Eligible improvements. There are no required improvements. There are very few restrictions on the type of repairs allowed. There is no minimum dollar amount for repairs. Renovations must be completed within a 6-month period from the date on the note. The note is like an IOU. It states the terms of the renovation loan. Here are a few examples of eligible improvements: built-in outdoor barbecues and kitchens, and in-ground swimming pools, detached garages, freestanding accessory dwelling units, also known as backyard cottages or secondary units. Kitchen and utility appliances are allowed as part of the overall remodeling project. Ineligible improvements: moving a house from another location onto the subject property. Improvements that result in a commercial use or are commercial in nature. Single-family residential dwelling converted into a 2 to 4 family property. 2 to 4 family property converted into a single-family residential dwelling. Oil tank removal or repairs. This program may not be used for complete tear-downs, foundation up construction, and reconstruction of the dwelling. Do you need a HUD consultant with a HomeStyle renovation mortgage? That depends on the cost of the renovation to be completed. If the total cost, including fees, contingencies, and repair is less than $15,000, a HUD consultant is not required. If the total cost, including fees, contingencies, and repair is more than $15,000, a HUD consultant is required. Here's more information about the HUD consultant. Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for this video, the HUD consultant.